semo che county Togo tigara asansemi yogosira bangina himeye county ya Kisii ni gabono buna henchira yemo yogosira ebyombe bya bangina himeye county ya Kisii ni gona nditwarero umurugi wo marayibwense musubatira Ker Ruto ara wasara emiroberi bogosira ebyombe abya bangina imanyekene buna Joyful Women Association himeye county yo ya Kisii ase kubasira na bakonya gukora umuroberi otebo banking eryo kwegendererya no muyega hakorekana asegeti igiye skuru ya Kisii National Polytechnic uyu hikiranwa hamona barayi au hegati yabo mugabana habwe county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati muchumbe bwensemo yebunge ya Nyaribari chacheza hiri janda amo negati yabara ibanda bange abo babwate siara Ker Ruto ko basira bangina hegati ya abangina habo bakonyekire gwetera sekyombekyo nigaba bakwa bakorokye omogokobo omonene umuriketo Petro Machini neye nero oyiya magora ya gwikachinse mechyo na gutwagenera botiro kubwatya
Bunencheremo yogosira bangina asebyombe nabo yokubayigeria igorabuna bakobeke nengo iri kwegendya samagima bakira lituko nigo litukurerero murugi bo murayibwenso moswati Rachel Ruto ara umuyega bogosira byombe aho byabasubati nabo igabangina ba Joyful Women umuyega bakowikirana na mugabana bwe county ya Kisii Mosque Paul Simbarati umubunge bwe bunge ya Nyaribari chacho Mosque Zaire Janda ase skuru yokwena magere yobundi ya Kisii.
Every county has its own story. Kisii's story is a story of enterprise. It is a story of hands that cultivate the land, mold soapstone into works of art, trade in our markets, and above all, work tirelessly to build a better life for the next generation. Today, I'm happy to be here among the women whose hands, determination and resilience continue to shape the story of Kisii County.
Ukwane kirekyo nigo Rachel Ruto atebina gwetera bangina go chamo nigo bagosanga mangana manga yakubairira gosemania na kuigenderia subugima bwabo tambe.
When women organize themselves, they do not simply save money. They share ideas, exchange knowledge and encourage one another. And when one woman falls, there is another woman to help her rise again. Economic empowerment is not simply about having money in your pocket. It is about having choices. It is about paying school fees without fear, growing a business, putting obokima on the table, and having
Echingo kicho nigo baigabori bangina korwase county ya Kisii go chaka chinchira chinge na gokina go chase birengo byeigoro.
So save what you can, learn what you do not know, and grow from where you are. The women we celebrate today are proof that great things can begin with a simple decision. A decision to work together and believe that the future can be different.
Asinsema ya mugavana Simbarati nigago kiro kubwatu okoboko kwa bangina nabo igoba bori gutarira okobwatira noko elyo gokonye kama tukare bosyo.
Tuko katika broad based. It's my time also now to give back to mama. Kwa hivyo mama, tutashirikiana. Niko na furaha kwamba wamama wangu hapa wa Kisii wako katika Joyful Women.
Asinsema ya mochumbe bwe bunge Nyaribari chacho Mosque Zaire Janda nigamwakire mbiyo mosubati mama Rachel Ruto soko baso mostari bosyo gosire byombe anakoria irayo chikwenekia na chikubwatirana erigo kinya ebirengo by'echinambase byombe aime county ya Kisii.
Your Excellency, your commitment to uplifting women and strengthening families is truly inspiring. We warmly welcome you and thank you for being a champion of empowerment and hope for the women of our country. Asante sana. Your Excellency, nataka kukuomba kwa heshima unikubalie nishikane na the CEO so that we can be able to register as many women from Kisii County ili waweze kuingia katika hii Joyful Women.
boigo asigatia bari banyoro gosiro ko bagokire na koene kiamba chikunyako koene kingango igendere bari asogoncheria magimabo abotambe.
Lakini leo hii nimeinuka. Hata nilifaidika na kupata mashini na kuanga fundi wa kushona. Nilifaidika kupata mashini, nilikuwa na moja, nilipata ingine kupitia kwa kikundi.
Tujiunge na kikundi cha Joyful Women Organization, tutaendelea sana.
Kuripoteria Ensoko TV kuraiga siskurio kwenda maire yobobundi nchenkuru kwa Pethuel Machin.